What's up, my people? Tracking into the pool site. Videos are back for a bit. Sorry I've been gone. If anybody missed me on the live last night, I explained I'm on that project where there was a lot of privacy, so couldn't be filming for a couple weeks. But today we're installing a pool about 20 minutes from our shop, and yeah, it's gonna be a nice day. The humidity has cooled down. All right, we got a little stump here we gotta knock out first. Homeowner wants. This ground is all gravel, so it's awesome material, so they could use it for backfill, and it'll be good for digging. Man, that stump's down in there. See, that's why that tree died. They buried that stump. Roots are down. Outside line is the dig. Just gonna strip. There's really no topsoil here, so don't make. Oh, there is a sprinkler. Another sprinkler. Man, this is beautiful gravel. Listen to that sound. It's like gold trickling. Chipping away, just gonna get this paint mark because I can barely see it. Just scrape away my line for my cut. Yep. Everybody knows the rules. Make eye contact with me. Do not walk in front of the machine. Safety, safety, safety. Old concrete slab that was buried. Nice patio, yeah, it could be a dog house. Let me see where they want this. All right, we're gonna set her down here. Got my laser set on the boom. Right there's grade. So now I can get all the panels all the way around to the grade. Then we'll start setting panels. Go from there. Ground is super soft that it's gravel, you know, you just breathe on it and it changes by inches. But it is awesome material. As I stated before, it's good to be digging back in the 160. Get away from some concrete. Still baling dirt. These guys are starting to set panels. We're only an hour into the dig. Boom tight to the machine like so you don't splash what you've already dug. Kind of get myself on a peninsula here. I'm gonna have to jump the ditch to get back over, but I need most of the dirt over here. But we gotta save dirt for backfill also. But that whole hill right here has to be cut down a good 10 inches to a foot, and we can cut back into it like that. You'll have to put a retaining wall there or something, but we could use that whole piece for this side for backfill. And over here on my right, we'll push some, and then we'll get this pile over here behind me and work that around. I think I'll backfill Saturday. I just talked to him, he'd rather me backfill, so that's what the play is. Cutting the outside line, then knock this peninsula out, then I'll have to go down in the pool to get out, which isn't a big deal. Gotta go down in the pool to dig the deep anyways. Let's grab the sod. Draw my line with the bucket. Another sprinkler head right there. Get that off. Come on. Don't want to bury those because you know they'll be into these skid steer tracks and all hung up. Then it flings you and blows a window out, shoots rocks at you. Panels going in like so. Each pool's different. Some have braces that come off here, this one doesn't, so it will have braces coming from here down to the floor, but it doesn't have the ones up on top. This is where the deep will start. We'll dig that as soon as we get these panels about to there, right there. Then I'll be able to come down in the hole and work my way out. Have to build a ramp over there to get out. All right, 2 hours in, got the whole back wall in, coming around this side. We'll get about right to here, then I'm gonna scoot on over here and then come down in. Make a ramp here, drop in, come in here and dig that deep. The deep is right where that pink is, right about there, and everything will taper up, as you will see. All right, let me get up on this pile so I can pull it back. I gotta be able to pull some of this dirt back so I'm not fighting it with the skid steer, and I gotta make more room for dirt, obviously. So we'll go on up. Nice view of the pool up here, coming in nicely. They're just squaring up the pool right now, They'll pin everything and just leave me an opening right there. As you see, I'll go down in and I'm gonna cut straight down in off that wall with the teeth. I mean, there's so many different ways. 90% of the pool companies around here do not do them like this. This is the best way that I've seen. It's the fastest way. You'll be swimming with quick. You know, usually we could dig it, set the panels, and pour the bottom all in one day. Where just, you know, typical pool company comes in here and it's a month before you got water. They'll have a company come dig it, then a company come set panels, and everything's on schedule, so it's always a week apart between each process. Next thing you know, it's 5 weeks and you still don't have water. So these guys are the best in the biz, that's for sure. Cuomo Country Pools, give them a call if you're local. They're out of Dwaynesburg. Oh yeah, and no relation to our governor. All right, we're gonna make our journey down into the hole. Swing, gotta watch these panels, try to position yourself in the center. Super tight in here, just scraping yellow paint on the panels. We got 3-foot walls going in here. I actually go back out a little bit more, that will give me more room. 3-foot walls going down for a 6-foot deep pool. All right, we had to take the right side panel off, it just wasn't fitting. Most pools you can just graze it, but this one, the position I was in, this is a new style. This is called a mountain pond. Usually we're doing the mountain lakes. So this is a mountain pond. It's a tad bit smaller. Like I was saying before, 3-foot walls, which that's the vertical walls going down to the bottom on a 6-foot pool. So we'll get that and then we'll cave everything in. Again, super nice digging here. This is a beautiful stuff. Definitely not gonna have any water issues for drainage. Shaping the edges, like I said, it's super easy digging, so it's nice. They'll just cave it all down in the bottom and then I'll scoop it out. Nothing like a nice shallow pool. Cleaning it up. Just about closing out, just checking grade all through here before they set the final panels. Setting the stairs, nice and easy. Double chain it. Stairs are all in. Pool is complete. They're gonna pour it tomorrow. Still only a little bit after lunch. We got this thing knocked out. The grade, man. This guy's got some serious grade issues. I mean, look at the hill over here. Major hill. Got to put a retaining wall in. We'll get it back filled up to where it's got to be. Like I said, the pool company's not doing any concrete here on this one, so we're just gonna backfill with the existing gravel up to the coping height. And grade is what grade is. I think we'll grade things off, but we're not gonna cut in for retaining walls or anything like that, unless that's a change order. So we'll find out Saturday on that part. All right, my people, there's the pool. This is a mountain pond, it's called. Mountain pond. 6 foot deep. Now they'll pour concrete all around this whole perimeter to pin it, and concrete in the bottom. That will be done tomorrow, and Saturday I probably will come back and film, or come back and backfill. If I do, I will film it. All right, catch you guys on the next one. Thumbs up, like, share, subscribe. Later, guys.